Hey everybody, Carl with Abt here. We're at CES 2017. We're with Asus right now. We've got Jeff here. He's going to tell us a little bit about this computer that we've got.
Yeah, this is the GR8 II. It's a new small form factor gaming system from us. It's only 4 liters, but inside it's got all desktop class hardware. So you've got a full fat Core i7 CPU based on the Kaby Lake architecture, and we've also got an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card in there. So you've got great gaming performance, you've got support for G-Sync monitors, and it's a VR-ready machine. So if you want to plug in a headset and play around with VR, you're all set for that. We've even put 2 HDMI ports at the back, so that if you want to have like a big screen TV or monitor plugged in at the same time as your headset, not a problem at all.
Very cool. Now I see some LED lights flashing on the front here. How does that work? What does that correspond with?
Yeah, everybody has RGB LEDs in everything these days. So we put them in this system. It's part of our Aura ecosystem. So you can control the colors and effects through software that comes with the system, and it'll also synchronize with our Aura Sync capable peripherals, keyboards, and mice. So if you want to have a complete system that has all synchronized lighting and looks really good all together, this is set up for that as well.
Very cool. And now that's only then with other Asus products, or does that go towards anyone that has that particular type of software built in?
It's basically everything that's Aura Sync. So in this case, because it's a fully built system, none of the internal components that work with Aura will work with it, obviously. But if you have just any Aura Sync compatible peripheral, will work with that. We also have some companies that do ROG or Aura certified products, but that's more sort of cases and separate components that you would get if you were doing sort of a DIY system.
Cool. All right. Yeah. So anyone out there looking for a really compact, really high-powered gaming computer, this is definitely going to be one to check out. Is this available now?
This is going to be available soon. It's going to start at $899. It's going to be available with a mix of storage configurations. You'll be able to get it with a PCI Express SSD and a hard drive as well.
Okay. Great. Thanks so much, Jeff. We really appreciate your time. Guys, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep current on what we're going to be looking at next at CES 2017.